Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video shows how to whip cream using forks, and with the same whipping cream we'll make this beautiful pineapple cake. So you'll not need much accessories doing this cake. First we will do the dry ingredients. For that I have taken half cup maida, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. We will just sieve this and we will keep this aside. To this mixture I am going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Now wet ingredients, for that I have taken 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/8 cup of refined oil and 1/8 cup of curd. So you give it a quick mix using a whisker. If you don't have a whisker you can take spoon. Now I'm adding pineapple flavor here, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well, and now you can add half teaspoon of vinegar. So for soda you will have to add vinegar. Now we will preheat this vessel. Take a kadai and put 2 cups of salt and just spread it evenly, and you can keep a stand or a plate inside this. So now we are mixing dry ingredients with wet ingredients. So preheat and then you can mix this, because after you mix dry and wet ingredients you should not keep it for a long time. Now I'm adding milk. According to the consistency you can add milk. I have taken half a cup of milk here. Now to a vessel, you can grease this steel tin and you can put a butter paper and add the mixture, the cake batter. Tap it for once or twice, you can tap it. Now you can keep it in the preheated kadai. Cover with a lid, and after 30 to 40 minutes you can open it and see if the cake is been baked. Now with the help of knife you can just remove the cake from sides and remove the butter paper. See how spongy the cake has become. Now I'm cutting the cake into 2 halves like this. Cut it. See, very nice spongy cake. Now for preparing pineapple sauce, I have taken 1.5 cups of pineapple and half cup sugar. Blend it and then sieve it. Yes, now you can heat it on a medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 8 minutes it becomes like this. Now you can make sugar syrup ready. Sugar I have taken 2 teaspoons. I have added pineapple flavor and half cup of water, hot water. Here I am taking Milky Mist cream, medium fat cream, to whip, and using the forks to whip the cream. You need not use beater here, but using fork will take a long time. I am showing this because everyone will not have a beater at home. Yes, after 10 minutes of whipping here, this becomes soft peaks have come. Now after the soft peaks have come, I'm adding powdered sugar here. Mix it well. Now the whipping cream is ready. See, it is not falling down. To this pineapple flavor I am adding. Again mix it well. No turning table. You can use this kind of tawa as turning table. Now on top of this you can keep the plate on which one portion of the cake has been kept. Yes, put whipping cream. Before whipping cream you will have to put the sugar syrup, and after that put whipping cream After one layer of whipping cream, one layer of pineapple sauce, spread it evenly. This is just for beginners, this cake making. Now you can mix it with the whipping cream. One more layer of whipped cream you'll have to put, and then spread it. Don't worry about the shape much, finally that will come. Now one more layer, the second layer of the cake you keep, and put whipping cream and spread it. Now we'll put pineapple sauce again and refrigerate it for, spread it now, refrigerate it for half an hour. So keep in the fridge for half an hour so that one layer will be set. Yes, now one more layer of whipping cream we are adding here. So whipped cream always gives a good taste to the cake. So try it from Milky Mist cream, that is very tasty. Yeah, spread it evenly. Now after this we will start decorating this. For that we have to take pineapple sauce 2 teaspoons. To that fresh cream I am adding here 3 teaspoons. To this I am adding yellow food color 1/4 pinch, very less you'll have to add. Then give it a quick mix. This you can put it on the edges of the cake. Put it on the edges. If you want it to be thinner, you can add milk to this. Now I'm taking whipping cream in a separate bowl. To this also I'm adding yellow food color, and I'm taking this in the piping pack. See, I'm using star nozzle here and decorating the cake like this. Yes, you can see it has come very beautifully. Now put some cherries for the decoration. 6 to 7 cherries I have taken here for the decoration. Very beautiful and tasty cake this is. This is, as I told, this is for beginners. Wipe the edges of the plate, and yes, our beautiful cake is ready, which is very tasty also. If you like this video, please like, share, and please do subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, please hit the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.